So children, here we'll write, okay, janggery, okay, and amla, green tea, and pasta sauce, okay, spicy chicken. Okay, next here I'll write laddus, okay, tamarind, okay, then broccoli, noodles, and your green chili, and here gulab jamun. Here I'll write raw mango, okay. Here coffee, and mixed nuts, Here I will write cloves, okay. So you also write in the bitter gourd, okay. Write down children, okay. In the notebook and in the textbook also you have to copy like this. See children, how I copy. In the textbook also you have to copy. Write neatly children. Write neatly children. On the board also is there. Okay children, over. So next, fruit, vegetables and other food substances have different tastes. Write the names of food substances that you know in the appropriate column based on their taste. So we wrote the fruits and vegetables, those are different in the taste, okay. We written into the table 1 also children. Now here are the questions given that you have to read and answer them, that is by your own. Let us do 1C children. Take some turmeric powder, add a bit of water to it and prepare turmeric paste. Rub the turmeric paste on a white paper. Draw a flower on that paper with a pencil. Color the flower with soap water using a brush. Does the color of the flower remain the same when soap water is used? No, it will be changed. So what changes will be occur? See. Similarly, take some lime water, add a few drops of it on a piece of turmeric paper. Does the paper change its color? Is the changed color of turmeric paper the same in both the cases? Rani and Sai dropped food they were eating on a white sheet. They washed the sheet with the soap and found to their surprise a red spot appear on the sheet. So children, what they told, take some turmeric powder and mix with some water, make a turmeric paste, and that paste, turmeric paste, you have to apply to the white paper sheet. And on that sheet, after coloring with the paste, turmeric paste, you have to draw a flower with the pencil, and then take a brush, okay, and water soap, okay, soap water, liquid, okay, water, soap water you have to take, and that soap water with the brush you have to apply to the color the flower. So the color of the flower will change or it's remain yellow only, it will be changed. Now like that, one example they told here, Rani and Sai while eating, they, okay, they spare, okay, they dropped the food on the white sheet, and when the mother washed that sheet into the soap water, it is, they became surprised because that whatever the turmeric patches are there, the turmeric patches turn into the red patches, red spots. Okay, so this is a surprise. Why it is happen like that? Okay, so color change. We notice here that turmeric changes color when soap water or lime water is added to it. So turmeric is changing color when soap water or lime water added it. It became red. It is possible that some other substances also change their color. Let us see. Let us do too. Take a piece of turmeric paper. Find as many of the substances given in the table 2 as possible and put them on the turmeric paper one by one. You could try using other substances around you as well. What do you observe? Do you find any change in color? We notice that the color of turmeric paper changes with some substances when added to it. The substances which indicate a change in color when some substances are added to them are known as indicators. So children, what are indicators? Write the question. What are indicators? Okay, what are indicators? What are indicators? So write the answer. The substances which indicate a a change in color, change in color when some substances, when some substances when some substances are added to them are known them are known as indicators. Okay, so children, you have to repeat with me. What are indicators? The substances which indicate a change in color when some substances are added to them are known as indicators. Are you repeating with me? Once again repeat. What are indicators? The substances which indicate a change in color when some substances are added to them are known as indicators. So while writing, note into the notebook. Okay, come on, start. Over children. Now page number 11, see children. Preparation of lime water. How we should prepare a lime water. Take half a baker full of water. Add about 5 gram of lime that we apply to betel leaves. So what they told children? Take half a beaker full of water. Add about 5 grams of lime that we apply to betel leaves. Stir the beaker well and let it stand overnight. Filter this solution the following day. Use this filtrate in all experiments you perform. This solution should be transparent. The substances that turn blue litmus to red are acidic in nature. The substances that are soapy to touch and turn red litmus to blue are basic in nature. Some of the substances given in the list did not change the color of either blue or red. These are said to be neutral in nature. So children, the substances which change the color, okay, which change the blue litmus to red, that is acidic in nature. And the substances which are changing, okay, changing the color red to blue, okay, it is in basic nature. Okay, the substances which are changing the color blue to red, that is acidic in nature. And the substances which are changing color, okay, red to blue is a base color. And the substances which are not changing the color, that is neutral in nature. Okay, na? So children, next we'll the substances that contain different acids, we'll write that table. Okay, the substances contain different acids. Okay, I will show you table children. In that already they given page number 12. See children, page number 12. The table is clear for you, children. Page number 12, see here. Okay, so acid and substance, table number 5. Okay, acetic acid, vinegar, citric acid, lemon or orange. Okay, uh, butyric acid, stale cheese, lactic acid, battered milk, curd. Okay, oxalic acid, spinach, tomato, malic acid, apples, tannic acid, tea, oleic acid, olive oil, stearic acid, fats, tartaric acid, grapes, tamarind, palmitic acid, palm oil, ascorbic acid, amla, and uric acid in urine. So these are the different types of acids and present into the substances, that names also given here, children. Later you have to draw this table into the notebook, children. Okay, and here what they given, children, see. Substance and base. Okay, so lime water, okay, calcium hydroxide base will be there. Okay, and the substance is glass cleaners, base is aluminum hydroxide, soaps sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, milk of magnesium hydroxide. So these are the substance and base. These are acids and substance. These two tables you have to later you have to draw into the notebook, children. The table is present on the page number 12 in the textbook. Okay, na? Is that clear? I think so. Okay. Okay, children. So you have to copy these two tables into the notebook. Okay, children. So children, today we will stop here, children. Okay, it is a time for the Sakshi. Right, Sakshi? Sakshi. Class you have to write. 7th class. Subject you have to write. Science. And HW you have to write. Okay. In the classwork we given some question answers. I gave some question answers and table that you have to copy into the HW. Okay. So HW same as classwork one time. Here take the parent sign and here teachers will give the sign when school will be physically reopened. So what the homework I given, children? In the today's this session I given some question answers and table onto the board, and I told to you copy into the notebook. That same you have to copy into the HW book one time. That's why I given the homework HW same as classwork one time. So write this homework and send it to the school mail ID in a time, children. So we'll meet in the next session with the remaining part of this lesson. Till then, children, bye bye.